All the classes you have sat in, all the teachers you've listened to, all the money you have paid for truth. Something must be wrong. If your eye still wanders through the streets, acting like a beggar, why not try this? Let all those fake teachers starve. Picture one of the great ones in your mind. Put your lips against his cheek each morning. Say, keep saying, "Dear beloved, pinch me. I want proof you're near. A love bruise on my rump will do." The friend is an unfathomable well that knows everything. Draw from that safe, luminous sky. Stay near to these words, and they will stretch out a leg and trip you, and you'll fall in love.